How to log in into Carnival credit card online. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into Carnival credit card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up a web browser. Then simply search for login into Carnival credit card. After you search for that, you'll find this option called Carnival Cruise Line and other stuff here. So what you can do right here is head over to this option on the top. So after you're here, you will be able to, manage your account. To do that, simply enter your email address and then the password for your account. After you tap on that, tap on login and you'll get logged in. And that's how easy it is, guys. And that's basically all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. And if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.